Welcome to SaskMoney, a program designed to grow financial literacy skills across Saskatchewan. This Saskatoon Industry-Education Council program is built by teachers to provide resources and activities that connect directly to 42 modules in Saskatchewan's financial literacy curriculum. If you are a middle years or secondary teacher hoping to integrate financial literacy outcomes into your instruction, start by clicking on the icon that matches your student's grade level. From there, you will see curricular modules organized by theme. You may select a theme or go directly to an individual module. Each module contains a teacher's guide that you may choose to download. Guides feature information from the Saskatchewan Financial Literacy curriculum, along with several suggested activities that were assembled by our team of educators. The resources for each suggested activity are found by scrolling beneath the teacher's guide. Our hope is that after one visit, teachers will have resources and lesson ideas that can be used in their classroom the next day. Also, be sure to browse through our supplementary resource page, where content will be updated often. There is also an events page to keep teachers and community members up to date on financial literacy events. If you know a group of educators who would benefit from a financial literacy professional development session, contact us on the About page to organize a session that will suit the needs of your group. Even if you're not a K-12 educator, we hope you'll find some helpful resources, discussion topics, and activities. We hope you and your students will have a successful journey through the SaskMoney program.